Gagajoy at Gagajoy's kitchen, and we're cooking today, and we're making a harvest peach pie. The fruit markets right now are just so full of peaches, and usual. Last year we didn't have hardly any peaches, so I'm just putting my pie crust in my dish. I love this little dish. It makes it so easy to make a nice pie crust. That's a gift from my granddaughter. And now I've got about 5 cups of peaches in here. And to this, I'm going to add a cup of sugar, a teaspoon of orange peel, a 1/4 cup of cornstarch, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, and just a pinch of salt. And when I say pinch, that's about a pinch. And this, if you are around peaches and cook with them very much, you know that almond extract is probably the best thing you can ever have. And you just barely put a dribble in, maybe 1/8 of a teaspoonful. Now we'll just mix it up. These were beautiful peaches. I don't think I was a bad one in a bunch. I hope you live in a part of the country that grows peaches. We can grow them in this area, but not very well. So most of the peaches around here come from North Carolina. And I'm sure there's in Georgia too. And just now I'm going to use you just need a brief little taste of nutmeg on this plane, and I'm just barely putting it on here. And that's all you need. It's so strong, and it just gives a punch to it, if you know what I mean. Okay. That's the right amount. Now to this, I'm going to add a little bit of butter, and then I'm going to put my topping on. Well, when you use nutmeg, you can smell it good. That's my preheated oven at 400. Okay. Now I'm going to fix for my topping. I may not have told you this, but I get the regular pie crusts that are just already made in a box. There's 2 pie crusts, and I always put the bottom, use the bottom, and then I'm going to make the, cut out 8 strips for the lattice pie crust. And I folded this over just to make it a little bit easier. Now I've got to have 8 strips. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Keeping in mind, I'm not an artist. Okay. We're going to put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's bend this one back and this one back and put this way. 1, 2. Now the next one, you take that one back, and then that one back with this one. Okay, now go to this side, do the same way. Just put that one back like that. One, put it down. Now come back and do this one. I know that's not a real pretty one, but you get the drift. If you want, you can make it bigger. You can make them more than that, but you see how easy it is? You just take a chance and do it. Let me cut this off. Okay, now just go around and sort of incorporate them into your other pie crust, like that. Keep the shape of your pie crust. I'm going to add just a little bit of sugar to the top of that. I'm just going to make sure these little pieces here are sticking good. They look like they are. And there it is. I'm going to put it in a 400-degree oven for about 40 minutes. I'll check it at about 30. And for about 20 minutes, I'm going to put a piece of, this is confectionery oven, and it cooks the top real quick, so I'm going to put aluminum foil on it for just about 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Well, it's time to get our pie out, and it smells very good. Oh, wow. It's still boiling, so it has to be good. It's going to have to cool down a lot before we can cut it, but you could see how beautiful it turned out. And I'm so glad, because I have never made a peach pie in this bowl, so I'm glad to know how well it does. Well, we've had a wonderful day. Go pick some peaches and make your pie tonight. Be kind to people this week. Remember the love. We'll see you soon. Bye.